Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Night Lite or a comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's go to eye comfort and sleep, and let me ignore this sleep health. I would like to focus on this eye protection, a regular eye protection section. So basically, to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here you've got the switcher, thanks to which you can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. You can also schedule that. Let's tap on it, tap on schedule, tap on the switcher, and now you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. So from a 7 to 7 in my case. Let me turn it off. Moreover, what I wanted to show you are the display effects. Let's tap on it. Basically, you can display the colors, which will be obviously affected by this yellowish light, but you can also set everything in black and white manner. So as you can see, everything will be monochromatic. So it's totally up to you which option you prefer to use. I think I will stick to the colors. Alright, so this is the customization of the eye comfort mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully or unroll it on the right side, depending on what kind of notification panel you've got applied, and find the eye comfort. And then let's simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.